This protocol offers a well-controlled car driving situation where participants have to continuously adjust their vehicle speed according to the lead vehicle speed. Driving in a simulator is different from driving in real life. All the events inside the simulation have been planned and are under control. The main advantage of the driving simulation is to provide the same driving condition to different participants and to be sensitive to inter-individual differences and individual variation from one completion of the protocol to the other.
The driving situations have to be carefully thought out well in advance. They also need to be tested by a few pilot participants. The analysis also need to be computed beforehand. Which indicators are we going to compute and how do we perform the computation?
Demonstrating the procedure will be Vivien, Gaujoux, a research engineer in my laboratory.
Begin by escorting the participant into the experimental room. Ensure that they have a driving license, at least years of driving experience, normal or corrected to normal vision, and audition. Have the participant provide a USB stick with pre-selected preferred music tracks to create different musical backgrounds during the experiment. Then, equip the participant with a heart rate belt linked to a watch that monitors heart rate. Next, seat the participant in front of the simulator in a modified car seat approximately 60 centimeters from the screens. Allow the participant to adjust the distance between the seat and the pedals with the handle underneath the seat. Once the participant is comfortably positioned, provide instructions on using the features of the simulator. Then, inform the participant about simulation sickness that can sometimes occur, and let the participant know that the simulation will be stopped at any time if necessary. On the computer screen, show a rural roadway with one track.